All right, we're going to be talking about how to wacky rig like a creature bait or something. This is a bait from Get Hook Magic Baits. I've caught a lot of fish. If you see some of my YouTube videos, a lot of big fish been caught off here. Some of the people, they're using, this is the Get Hook Magic Bait wacky rig toolkit. Comes with a keeper, you know, to keep it right on you at all times. We're thinking of new ways to design things. So what you want to do, a lot of folks, you know, they're taking and pushing these baits down in here. You can just kind of pinch them. That's a good thing about our baits, you know, it's going to be great quality. And you get that bait down in there just like so it's kind of tucked in there. And then you're going to take one of these wacky rig rings, and it's going to be nice and simple. You're just going to run this ring, take you one off there, and here you have it. You see me running it all the way up. And then you're going to get up to the top up here and just push this down in there. And there you have it. Now the ring is on there. And then also you can get one of our Get Hook Magic Baits. These are, I'm going to pull one out for you. These are our custom wacky rig hooks. These are custom made over at Get Hook Magic Baits, gethookmagicbaits.com. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and please hit that subscribe button on YouTube. Right here's one of the wacky rig hooks with the brush guard. You can just take that thing and slide it right up under there, and there you go. Now what you have, that's going to allow that bait to just give you all more movement and everything too. And it's right on that ring right there. You're not even touching that bait. The soft plastics are going to last you twice as long as anybody else. Top quality custom baits. High professional fishing supplies. Lots more to come. Stay tuned. GetHookMagicBaits.com. Hit that follow and subscribe wherever you see us. Like, comment, share, tag your friends. Help us get our stuff out there, folks. We got plenty of stuff coming for 2023 and already have hundreds of items out now. It's not about the baits. It's about the magic.